Hey everyone, B3OS is now live in public beta, and we're going to show you a super cool workflow on Base today. We're super excited to show you what's possible on Base using B3OS. So today for the workflow, we're going to imagine that we are degen traders and gamblers on Polymarket, trading on various markets. On Polymarket, you are going to need USDC. And so you're going to need those funds to trade those markets. And sometimes you may be not at your computer or the funds may run low. And so we built a workflow where you can basically go into Morpho, and whenever your funds are low, you can borrow against your CBBTC position and make sure that you always have USDC at hand to trade on Polymarket. So let's get started. We're in the template gallery, and I'm just going to scroll down to the exact template that we need. You'll see here, it's Morpho USDC autofund. Let's spin up the template, and we'll need to fill out a few details. So select your workflow wallet. And so essentially the wallet you want to run this automated workflow. Choose your notification channel. The notification channel is basically where you're going to get updates on your borrow position and the amount of USDC you currently have. Let's select the channel, and we'll need to set a few parameters for the Morpho borrow position. You'll see here minimum balance. This basically means if your USDC ever falls below this balance, right, that's when this workflow triggers and you go out and look out for borrow positions and borrow opportunities on Morpho. So let's say my USDC balance ever falls below $5, then kick off the workflow. The second is the target balance. So this is how much you want to borrow essentially. And there's a minimum here when it comes to Morpho markets. So let's put $50. The chain is Base, of course. And the last thing to choose is essentially the market that you want to borrow from. Let's do CBBTC, and let's choose the destination wallet, which is the treasury wallet. And it looks like we filled everything out. Hit continue. And so with every B3OS workflow, you can take a look at the nodes, but this is a template, so everything's been set up. Let's hit publish. And there you go. Your workflow is now live. And so anytime your USDC or your funds on Polymarket run low, you can actually tap into the power of Base's DeFi ecosystem, and you can find an opportunity on Morpho to top up your funds. The thing we're super excited about is B3OS supports Base, huge ecosystem, and so you can use B3OS across not just Morpho, but Clanker, Aerodrome, and any and all of your favorite Base apps. Super excited to see what you guys will build. Thank you.